How to download Paramount Plus. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can download Paramount Plus on your mobile phone. So let's get started. So first thing that you'll need to do is you can either open up your App Store or you can simply open up your Safari. On your Safari, simply search for Paramount Plus. So let's search for Paramount Plus. You can do the same on your App Store as well. Just go to the search bar and search for Paramount Plus. Then you'll find your Paramount Plus available. You can simply tap on that and you can then find Paramount Plus. Now it's not available in my region, but you can simply find it on your App Store. After you find that, you can tap on the install button and it should start downloading. And that's how easy it is. You can wait till it completes downloading, and after it's done, you are good to go. And that's how easy it is. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye-bye.